Okay, this is a Clean Master, which is on Google Play Apps. It is a good app to have because it cleans up your browsing data, cleans up your cache, and gives you a bit of antivirus. It is very good if you like your privacy, and it is easy to use, and it's free to download, and it is a very good program. I encourage everybody that browses the web, that uses Google, to have this.
It'll link to the hub, it'll link to my stuff. But if that's a headache, because I don't want other people are going to encounter this issue too. When they get to that part of the project, they're going to hear about it.
And like I say, it is a free program,
You can see why it's trying to.
which is the beauty of it. Oh boy. And the instructions all come with it.
Rather than it linking to a website, you can obviously have the subscribing part.
Yeah. Or,
Okay,
because you know, I'm pretty sure I can like,
so,
put like a
so is that it, Mandy?
links to my website. I just can't have an actual link.
I think you got a minute.